All right, what is going on today, guys? If you are an e-com store owner who is looking to, get into email marketing, you're new to the space, you don't know what you're doing, you're struggling with figuring out email, you've tried Klaviyo, you've tried MailChimp, you've tried all these other email service providers, and you're honestly stuck. I'm going to be going through from scratch on a new Shopify account, new Klaviyo account, how to set it up, the flows you should be having, showing you winning flows, the kind of verbiage that I'm using. So overall, you can copy and paste and you can follow me along as a beginner. Okay, I'm literally using a fresh Shopify account. Okay, you're going to go to apps, or you can just go to Klaviyo itself, or you could just go to apps and you could download Klaviyo as an app, which is right here. Okay, email marketing SMS. Then you'll go to your dashboard. This is a completely new dashboard. I've touched zero on this. Okay, I just finished the setup, which was just me verifying my name, email, business address, all that stuff for compliance. And now I'm on this screen. Okay, so get started, earn more revenue, integrate your Shopify store, you create an abandoned cart flow. That's because it's like an automated abandoned cart flow. And now it's saying turn new subscribers into customers. Okay, create welcome series. So the welcome series, there's a bunch of flows that people will talk about creating. The first one that they're going to make you create is your abandoned cart flow. Okay, because that is where your abandoned cart flow is where you recover abandoned carts. And then your, welcome series is where people who are buyers or have opted into your actual email list are going to go into a welcome series. So just to go over the abandoned cart first, says after someone checkout started, only include someone if has placed orders 0 times, because technically if they abandon cart, they haven't bought. So that's where you would edit the flow here. Okay. And your abandoned cart, I do have another video on this channel. It's probably been uploaded already, where I go over my abandoned cart recovery and how I get people back into my ecosystem. But what I do is, this is the exact same sequence that I use. I do 30 minutes and I'm doing this literally front and center. Okay. 30 minutes is the first one. Save. Okay. And then my second email will go out an hour and a half. Okay. So I do 30 minutes, an hour and a half. And then I'll clone this. And then I'll send out another email. And this is literally for a new store that I'm actually launching, a new brand. And then 12 hours. Okay. And then actually that's wrong. It's 10 hours and 30 minutes. And then the last email, I then wait, another 12 hours for. And that's my abandoned cart. Literally, that is it. Now, the one thing you want to do, though, is inside Klaviyo in this abandoned cart sequence, you want to make sure that you have a, conditional split, which is, if we send this email, right? Configure your split. I'm going to move myself over here. So yeah, sorry. But select a condition. Okay. Someone who has done something, choose a metric. Someone who has placed an order. It should be allowed. There it is. Placed order at least once. Okay. Save. Okay. If somebody has placed an order, yes. Well, no, we're going to wait another hour and then we're going to send another email. Okay. And then we're going to copy this again. We're going to do another split because I'm sending a second email, which is hey, then, they might have bought now. Maybe they haven't. Maybe they will. Placed order at least once. Save. Now I'm going to say, listen, if you still don't buy, then we're going to throw you here. Okay. And then we're going to clone this email again. And then we're going to throw that down here. Okay. And then we have to do another conditional split, which is, has the person bought now? Placed order, save. Okay. No. All right. Well, we're going to take this 12 hours. Okay. Put it over here. Because then we're going to say, all right, clone this email again. And then I'm going to put the last email here. Okay. And then they're done. Now, if it's yes, then they exit. That's fine because that makes sense. If they've placed an order, then I don't want to keep sending them emails because they're an abandoned cart flow. And that's the same exact template that I use. Now, these emails, I'm going to save and exit real quick, but these emails are actually very simple emails. And that's how I just set up the abandoned cart. Now, the welcome series, I'm going to try to give you guys the best possible, elaboration of this. So here's the thing. First one is always going to be, welcome plus more of the same. And what I mean by that is you're going to welcome them to the brand. Okay, and then you're going to give them a special offer on what they already bought. Like, your front end product, the most popular product. So, for example, in my hair oil business, I'm going to do, hey, welcome to Hair 10X Growth Oil. Just for joining, I want to give you a special code right now so you could grab another bottle for X amount off, or you could grab our shampoo and conditioner for X amount off. Okay, I'm going to wait a day. And another one, hey, follow us on social media. This is where you're not selling anything. You're just trying to get them more into the ecosystem. Wait another day. Okay. And then this one's going to be, hey, listen, check out our best sellers, or check out, something that is, faster or better results of what they originally bought. So if it's the hair growth oil, well, what's going to be faster or better results? The shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to push that second best seller in this email, and then I'm gonna wait another day. Okay, and then I'm gonna clone this email, and this is like the welcome sequence. You don't have to have conditional splits because you want to just keep selling them stuff. This is where you can, sell a bigger bundle, and then you're also pitching the pay over time option. So for example, if I said in this email, hey, listen, for you to get even more results, you probably want to get another 2 to 3 bottles of our hair growth oil, but maybe you don't want to spend all the money right now. And if you don't want to, you can use Sezzle, Klarna, Afterpay, Shop Pay, whatever it is, so that you don't have to pay that amount up front. Okay. You can pay it over time over these next 4 months, and you can literally, not spend much money right now. You don't have to check out and spend 70, 80 bucks. You could spend 20 bucks a month for the next 4 months and get that decent supply so that you can, obviously keep buying and buying. And this is kind of my welcome sequence. So welcome plus more of the same, where it's like, hey, welcome to the brand, take this discount code, maybe it's like welcome 15 or something like that. Second one's follow us on IG, Facebook, whatever. Third one, follow us on YouTube, whatever. TikTok as well. Welcome series email number 3. Hey, check this out. You got the hair oil and, maybe you bought another bottle, but we have shampoo and conditioner as well. Okay. And you're going to want to get that. Okay. We wait another day. Okay. Well, we have this bundle that you didn't grab, that you could grab for, X amount off. And, you're not really, going to spend a lot of money because you can just pay over time. So that's a big thing. Email 4 would be the sell bigger but pay over time. Email 5, I would say this one's going to be, bigger discount plus pay over time on bundle. Because now I'm not just going to pitch the, hey, sell bigger bundle, pay over time. I'm also going to say, hey, listen, even if you did pay over time, I'm going to give you $10 off right now with this bundle. And that's where you go and last chance, grab this. You're not going to see the email again. It's going to expire in 3 hours. Grab this shit now. And that would be my welcome series. Okay. Now, other flows are going to be this. Okay. This is where you're going to do browse abandonment. This is what you're going to send to people who click on your emails but they don't actually buy. So it says when someone viewed product, right? They're already on the email list. They clicked an email in your welcome series or the abandoned cart, but they didn't take action. And this is that reminder email that's hey, listen, did you not see something that you liked? And this is where I'm going to send. This is going to go after 15 minutes. This is going to be a very quick one. Did you see something you liked? This is where it's hey, listen, did you get distracted? Go in and grab it. So that's the browse abandonment. I just set that up. And obviously you would just go into edit email and customize the actual email itself. Another one is going to be customer thank you. That is where someone has bought and you just want to say, hey, thanks for buying. When someone places order, okay, has placed order equals 1. Okay, you're what makes us great because they bought. And then no, equals 1 over all time. Okay, wait 1 day. I'm going to wait 12 hours on this one. I want to be very quick, actually. I want to do 3 hours with that one. Okay, has placed equal order. You're what makes us great. And then if they haven't, then we could do, hey, thank you again, just like as a gesture, where it's not like, hey, buy shit, just like, hey, really thank you for being a part of our family. Okay. And this is just kind of like a thank you. This is not really to sell stuff, but you can sell stuff on the customer thank you, where it's like, hey, grab another bottle, right? Okay. And then create, this is where I want to show you like how to actually edit the emails. So you have your flows here. We're going to go to edit flow. And then what you're going to do is, like, these emails right now say draft, right? You would just literally hit live here to switch them on. But if you want to switch and edit them, you go to edit. Thanks for stopping by. We saved all your great items you added to your cart. So when you're ready to buy, simply complete your purchase. If you have any questions, like, this is where you can go in there. You can remove the Klaviyo branding. You click edit content, and then you'll go to this page. The product thing is going to be here, the product title. This hyperlink is already in here, so you don't have to like really edit much. Return to your cart. This is where you can pitch like an automatic discount at checkout, where it's like, hey, like, if you return to your cart, like, give 10% off right now automatically. No code required. This is where you could change the headline, like, hey, like, return to your cart and get 10% off automatically, no code required. That would be a good headline here. So, being able to change that text as well. I'm just going to go back and save, but that's how you would do that. And then obviously always hitting save and exit on the top right-hand corner to make sure that these things are getting implemented inside of your Klaviyo flows. And then, by the end of today, if you're able to finish these, you could have 4, flows running. So you can make an extra 15 to 35% off your email list, like, as soon as this week. So this is a quick way to obviously get these things implemented in your e-com business. If you don't want to do this yourself and you're really even more confused, even though I broke this down like really simply for beginners, but maybe you don't know the verbiage to use, or you just don't have the time, you're trying to scale and you just don't want to deal with this, you can click the link below for a calendar. You can book a call with me and my team, and we can do this for you completely hands off. So that's in the description below. It's a Calendly link. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe for more videos just like this. I love helping business owners now scale their business. Giving away this free value and free content is like really awesome. And I love having you guys all a part of my community. Like and comment as well any videos that you want to see in the future, or questions about this video, and I'll answer them down below. But thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Thanks.